Hello friends, today's video is related to fridge. I'm going to show you how to store items in fridge and keep your fridge neat and tidy and hygienic. These are the PVC refrigerator mats which are used in the refrigerator. Food items get spilled into the fridge and it becomes dirty. It's not possible all the time to remove each and every item and clean the fridge, so these mats are very helpful. You can easily remove them, clean them and arrange them again. And your fridge looks as new as it was. I had ordered this 6-piece set of refrigerator mats from Amazon. Various colors as well as transparent sheets are also available. You can cut these mats as per your size. If you want large size, that is also available on Amazon. You can purchase it and cut it as per your need. So guys, let's start. This is freezer. I store all the masalas in freezer as there is a humid climate here. These are dry fruits and flax seeds. This is Everest milk masala. I have also kept cinnamon powder, which I use in tea and cakes. In this compartment, I have stored essence, cheese slice. There's a curd in a clay pot. This is diced cheese for pizza. Paneer. I have stored semolina, rice flour, gram flour, maida, that is all-purpose flour, in the refrigerator. And this is vermicelli. These containers are very useful. No need to open the whole lid as there is an opening on the top. These mats keep the glass clean. I'm going to share some of the tips. Lemon, even though kept in refrigerator, it gets dry after few days. You just have to do a simple thing, apply some edible oil on the lemon surface and then store it. It will remain as fresh as new for many days. Beetroot kept in refrigerator for long time becomes soggy, and for this what you have to do is cut its head and tail and then store it. It will remain fresh. Bunch of pudina stored with its roots itself does not remain fresh. What you have to do is cut the roots and then store it. Wash the curry leaves, dry it, remove the leaves and then store it. Same with the spinach too. Remove the roots and then store it. It will remain fresh. I have cleaned the coriander and then kept it. Take a look at these mats. Isn't the refrigerator looking clean and hygienic? This Samsung refrigerator which I had purchased just 2 months before is really very spacious. Wash the vegetables, let them dry and then store them in net bags. This bitter gourd has become soggy, and the simple tip is cut its head and tail. I cut these vegetables from both the sides so that they remain fresh for long time. You too try it and see, it works. When you keep all these vegetables cut and ready, the cooking becomes very easy and faster. These are French beans. Cut both the ends and then store them. They will remain fresh. Fresh vegetables have greater nutritional values than the stale ones. So if possible, eat them fresh. You have to do this once in a week and your kitchen will remain clean the whole week. No mess at all. There will be no wastage. If possible, use airtight containers to store the food items so that your refrigerator remains odor-free. You can cut a lemon into 2 halves and keep it in refrigerator to keep it odor-free. Or else you can dip a small cotton ball into vanilla essence and keep it aside. These are some of the sandwich toppings and peanut butter I have stored in the door area. Cleaning the fridge with vinegar once in a month will keep it clean. For cleaning the outer surface, you can use the liquids like colin. Cloth used for cleaning should be soft. Do not use harsh materials to clean the refrigerator. If you like my content, guys, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.